What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access screen recorder in Filmora 14. Okay, you know that I have a spot on my lips, so yeah, I don't want to make tutorial video because for me it is a little bit not comfortable. Okay, by the way, when I have a question from you, then I'm trying to make a video to answer your question. So to access the screen recorder in Filmora 14, it is the same. It is the same in comparison with Filmora 13 and Filmora 12. So Filmora 14 has a very good screen recorder where you can record your computer screen, your webcam, and the audio from your microphone and system sound also. I normally use it to make tutorial video, a short video, or sometimes I record my gameplay. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Okay, so this is my Filmora 14, and actually this is the main user interface of Filmora. If you want to access to the screen recorder, you need to go back to your media folder. Okay, so at the media folder, there is a button here, record from webcam, PC screen, or record voiceover. So you have three functions: record PC screen, record webcam, and record voiceover. Sometimes when I make my video, I have a gameplay like this and I want to record voiceover, I can go back to my media and then I can select record voiceover right here, or there's a button here to record voiceover. Okay, so that is the first option, to record voiceover. And if you want to record your webcam and your PC screen, you can do the same. For example, I can turn on my PC screen. Okay, and in Filmora 14 it is a little bit different in comparison with Filmora 13. So you have two options for your webcam: merge webcam or split webcam. So let me show you about it. Okay, so now I have my webcam here. By the way, my screen recorder is taking control of the webcam, so Filmora cannot get the webcam back. So I will turn off the webcam function. Okay, and next up, you need to select the screen area. For example, normally I will go full screen, but you can select a custom area or a target window. It's up to you. But normally, if we make tutorial video or gameplay, then we just need to go full screen. Okay, and next up, you have the microphone button. Now here, you have many options here, but I have no idea why they don't enlarge this area so we can see the name of the microphone better. Otherwise, we have to move our mouse to here to see the microphone. So I have this microphone and this microphone, two USB microphone that is attaching to my computer. So for example, I can select this one. This is the microphone that I'm currently using. So first up is about the microphone, and this is the system sound. If you want to record system sound, you can turn on and off it right here. And down here you have an option for your webcam. If you want to merge your webcam, then you can enable this option. If you want to split your webcam, meaning that you have two layers. The first layer is the screen video, and the second layer is your webcam. You can turn it on right here. Camera screen splitting. Okay, there's a question mark here where you can read the explanation from Wondershare. And next up, you can give it a name. For example, I can name it screen recorder 1, and we can select a location on our computer to save it. And for the frame rate, we can select 25 frame, 30 frame, or 60 frame, or anything. But remember, this is just your expected frame rate. It is not the real frame rate when the software record your computer screen, because it can be 12 frame or 18 frame, stuff like that. So normally I will make it 30 frames per second for a tutorial video, and the quality we put it at recommend quality, or you can set it to higher or lower. It's up to you, but I always set it recommend because it can get a good video quality, and also the file size is not too big. And for the countdown, we will leave it by default. It is 3 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and go. And for the timer, I seldom use the recording timer. But if you want to set a timer, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour recording and stuff like that, you can set it right here. And for the mouse cursor, we can hide the mouse cursor, or we can enable the mouse cursor. In Filmora 14, we just have some option for the mouse cursor. Okay, and there's an option here to play the mouse click sound. But there's a button here. Please make sure that your system audio is turned on. So if you want to have the mouse click sound, you have to turn on the system sound. This is a system sound, so we need to turn it on to have the mouse click in our video recording. Okay, so we have a hotkey down here and also an option to enable GPU, and that's all for the setting. And now we can click this button to start recording. For example, I can record a short tutorial. Okay, hey guys, this is Filmora 14 screen recorder, and this is my thumbnail. Wondershare Filmora 14. I created this thumbnail using Photoshop, and you can do the same. Just follow my step. Okay, now I can stop. In order to stop the screen recording, I can go to this area, and there is a stop button. Okay, just double click to open it, or we can just click at this button and then we can select stop recording. We can double click to open the toolbar, and then we can stop there. By the way, I can stop the recording here. And next up, we need to close this window and click no, because it will create a proxy file on our computer. Okay, so now this is my screen recorder number 1, and it go to media and go to music. Okay, so it go to an opening folder. Okay, and let's screen down the timeline, and I will put this screen recorder on the timeline so that you can see it. Okay, keep the project setting. So this is a screen recorder, and you have here, this is a screen because I didn't record my webcam, so I have a screen recorder with this voiceover. So this is a screen recorder, 14 screen recorder, and this is my thumbnail. Wondershare Filmora 14. I created this thumbnail using Photoshop, and you can do this. Okay, so this is how you can access a screen recorder in Filmora 14 and start a screen recording video. Okay, so that is the first way to access Filmora 14 screen recorder. By the way, you can also start the screen recording right at the beginning of the software. I mean, at the start page of the program. Okay, this is the startup window of Filmora 14. In order to find the screen recorder, you need to click this 3-dot button. Click here, and then go to the toolbox and select all. And now you need to scroll down because they hide the screen recorder right here. Here. Okay, they just put it down here. So you can start the screen recorder right here by just click here at the screen recorder to start. And again, it will open Filmora 14 main user interface, and then open the screen recorder. And this is the screen recorder. You can just select the screen, audio, and system sound, and webcam, and click start recording. Alright, so that is how you can start Filmora 14 screen recorder. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.